Okay, we're at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Go down to equations, and we need to click on. What do we need to do here? We need to be clicking on 8.2. Okay. All right. So we have what do we got going on here? We got 14x squared plus 41x plus 39 over x plus 2x. All right. Writing this down here real quick. Okay. Alright, let's move over to the whiteboard. So we have 14x squared plus 41 x plus 39, and that's going to be whoops, we got something down here below, x plus 2. And that's equal to 13 over x plus 2. Okay, so in the previous problem we had a solution that when we plugged in the denominator we ended up getting 0. My guess is probably the same thing's going to happen here. So we need to look for probably a -2 here as one of the solutions. That kind of helps us out, doesn't it? I mean, yeah. So if we were to multiply both sides by x plus 2, if I can squeeze that in over here, and x plus 2, right, what's going to happen is these are going to cancel out, and now we're going to be left with 14x squared plus 41x plus 39 is equal to 13. So we'll subtract 13 from both sides, and we'll end up with 14x squared plus 41x plus 39 minus 13, and that'll equal 0. So just think about it, taking this to the other side, and the sign changes. Instead of plus, it becomes negative. Okay, fast way of thinking about that. So we have 39 minus 13 is 26. Is that right? Or 39? Yeah, that's 26. I was thinking. Okay. Alright, so let's rewrite this again. So we have 14x squared plus 41x plus 26 is equal to 0. Right. Okay, so we want to factor this, and we're looking at 14, we're looking at 26, and I'm going to go out on the line here. This number could be 1, a 14, a 2, or a 7, but let's say it's 14. That's going to be my guess on that. And therefore that would have to be an x, and since both these are plus, we know that this will be a plus and that'll be a plus there. Alright, now this guy here, well, you just never know on this. It's going to be 1 or 26, it could be a 2 and a 13. I'm going to look at 2 and 13 here. If I put a 2 here, 13, 14 times 13 is obviously going to be bigger than 41. Let's see, what about 13 and 2? Let's see, 2 times 14 is 28, and 28 and 13. I'm trying to do that in my head. Is that 41? I think it is, 28 and 13. I think we might have got lucky on this deal, because there are some other... Well, no, wait a minute, we can't break that down anymore, can we? What the heck am I thinking? It's 28 and 13. I think we got it. Well, it's always a shot in the dark on doing this stuff. Alright, so we got 14x plus 13, set that equal to 0, and we get x is equal to -13 over 14, right? One of the solutions, and then of course x plus 2, and I just now remembered that was going to be one that we're not going to be able to use, -2. So this looks like this is going to be our only solution. Remember, we can't use -2 because when you plug -2 down here in the denominator, we get 0. Can't divide by 0. Okay? Alright. And -13 over 14. Yep. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Okay, we're over here, gotomath.com, finding the solutions, and I'll see you in the next problem.